In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to analyze your competitors in Gumloop AI. We'll build a clear, repeatable workflow that goes from gathering competitor links to automated browsing and scraping to AI-driven insights you can share with your team. By the end, you'll have a process you can run on autopilot. Start by logging in to Gumloop and creating a new workflow. Give it a descriptive name so you and your team instantly know its purpose, something like competitor analysis. Gumloop AI. Clear naming makes it easier to maintain versions and schedule automated runs later. Next, add an input or variable step and create a list input for competitor links. This is where you'll drop the URLs you want to analyze. You can include home pages, pricing pages, feature pages, or social profiles, whatever is most relevant. Because it's an input, you can reuse and update this list anytime without rebuilding your workflow. Aim for a focused set of competitors to start and expand as needed. Now set up the browser or web automation step to visit each competitor link automatically. Loop through your list so the workflow opens pages one by one. Add wait or delay actions to allow dynamic content, like pricing tables or social feeds, to fully load. If the site is heavy on JavaScript, increase delays or wait for a specific element to appear before moving on to the next page. This helps you capture stable, complete content rather than partial snippets. With pages loading reliably, use extract or scrape text steps to collect the details that matter. Capture headlines and messaging, offers and pricing, calls to action, blog or video topics, posting frequency, engagement metrics if visible, and visual themes such as colors, layout, and structure. Save each type of content as its own variable and include the source URL and a timestamp so you can trace any insight back to where it came from. Before analyzing, add a format or transform step to clean the data. Remove duplicates, standardize wording and casing, and group similar items so the AI sees consistent patterns. Clean inputs lead to better outputs, especially when pricing formats, CTAs, and taglines vary across sites. Now let Gumloop AI analyze the structured data. Prompt it to identify common messaging themes, unique value propositions, repeating offers or formats, strengths and weaknesses, and differences in market positioning. This turns raw text into meaningful patterns. Finally, convert those patterns into recommendations.